Hey guys, it's your girl, Truly. We're back with another video this week. So today I'm going to be doing makeup for sensitive skin. Don't mind the fact that my voice sounds weird. My nose is completely clogged. I can't smell or taste anything right now, and my allergies are absolutely killing me thanks to spring. We love spring. So I'm someone that has super sensitive skin. I find that a lot of products tend to make my skin break out or react. So I wanted to share some of my favorites while doing a full face of makeup and kind of help you guys find new products to discover. I already prepped my skin, but I'm still gonna be going in with a primer, so let's start there. So recently I've been loving using SPFs as my primers. My reason for this is because I am the type of person that always forgets to apply SPF. Yeah, I'm embarrassed. You know, as the weather gets warmer, I feel like I'm more pushing myself to wear SPF because that's something that I always forget. So that's why I use it as a primer. So today I'm gonna take the Kosas sunscreen. I try my best to follow the 2-finger rule, but sometimes I don't use enough sunscreen. And you know what? It's a start. At least I'm trying to use it. As much as I should probably move my bags out of my face, I am not exposing my forehead today. Like, I'm just not. Today is not a forehead type of day. And just look at this glow that this product provides. I think it's so beautiful on the skin and it wears so nice underneath makeup. Okay, fine. The forehead's coming out. I gotta apply some on the forehead. Guys, this glow is unreal. Oh my gosh. I get so excited whenever my skin looks super glowy and healthy. Because I have super dry skin, I love going in with glowy types of primers as well, and most of my SPFs that I use are glowy. My skin just tends to look dull throughout the day, so I try to combat that with glowy products. Just look at that up close for a second. The skin is juicy, baby! Speaking of juice. Now, I don't go in with foundation every single day, but for the sake of this video, I will do the full shebang. So I'm starting off with a color corrector. This is the Tarte Shape Tape color corrector in Peach. I really love using this for underneath my eyes because I never sleep, so I gotta make it look like I do. I'm just gonna take a small fluffy brush like this to blend out that color corrector. Getting real up close for this shot. And this just blends into the skin like a dream and it does not irritate or break me out. I have a little bit of a scar from a pimple I got, so I'm also just gonna put a little bit of peach color corrector on top of that too. Also, I just have to show you guys the shirt I'm wearing. This is a Hunter x Hunter shirt. I actually have this exact character tattooed on my arm. I am a huge anime fan and I'm specifically obsessed with Hunter x Hunter. I don't know if any of you guys have seen that show before, but if you haven't, go watch it. And if you have, let's talk about it in the comment section. On to our next step, that's gonna be foundation. This has been one of my favorite foundations since it launched, actually. Ilia was actually the first brand I ever worked with when I started my content creator journey. I don't know what to call it, content creator something journey, I guess I would say, but I just absolutely love this foundation. Have been loving it since it came out. So with this product, you just want to make sure you shake it really good, and I also like to squeeze the little dropper. As a bonus, this product also has SPF in it, so I really won't forget with this routine. My shade changes year-round, but I'm using ST7. With this product, I like to blend it in with my fingers first. It is a skin tint, so you can honestly just use your hands and apply it like a regular type of moisturizer. It just provides a really beautiful glow to the skin, and it only really covers up redness. This is not something that's going to cover up heavy scarring or anything like that. But usually I'll just use concealer to go in and add the extra coverage I want rather than a foundation that's full coverage. Though I love a full beat moment, so for events and stuff like that, when I'm going out, I'll usually go for more of a full glam type of look. But this is great for every day. And I literally just did this all with my hands. So easy. Here is an up close of how this foundation looks. Stunning, stunning, stunning. I love it. For concealer, I'm going to be going in with the NARS concealer. This one is the pot concealer, not the classic creamy radiant. So this one is specifically called the Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and I'm in the shade 2.4. Now, this isn't the most sanitary way to go about it, but I saturated my beauty sponge and I'm literally just gonna dip it directly into the pot. Now that my sponge has some product, I'm just gonna go ahead and tap it directly onto my skin. And just to get a good up close look, I'm gonna zoom you guys in quickly. Or slowly. Look at how that sits on the skin. It's really lovely. This formula is great. NARS kills it with the complexion products, to be honest. So this side, I only have the foundation, and this side, I added the concealer. I'm not sure if you can see that really beautiful difference underneath my eyes, but yeah, I just really love this product. Look, guys, Misa's getting a haircut tomorrow. She's gonna look so cute. I love how she looks right now. I love this really fluffy, cute baby teddy bear look, but I love when she gets a fresh cut, fresh shampoo. Where are you headed? I am all you need. Mwah. Anyways, I love this little blush. This is the blush I'm going to be going in with before I go in with my powder. I almost forgot this step for some reason. This is the EM Cosmetics Serum Blush. Here's an up close view of the product. I use the shade Sunset Sky. I'll be honest with you guys, I do put the dropper directly on my face. Nobody get mad at me, please. So I just like to blend this in a bit with my finger first, and then I'll take my sponge and then just tap the rest in. It is a very sheer, dewy blush, okay? So if you're looking for extreme pigment, this is not gonna be the product for you, but I just love that subtle hint it gives my skin. Anytime I do my mom's makeup, this is the product I use on her because I just love this healthy glow it gives. I feel like it just gives a really natural, just got out of the gym, but I didn't actually go to the gym type of look. And fun fact, I do actually wear blush to the gym. Not every single time, but there's times where I go in with a little bit of a flush on because I just want to look like I'm working out a little bit harder than I am, okay? I also really love to add a little bit on my nose because I feel like when the sun hits me and when I'm really getting warmed up, I also get flushed on my nose a bit. Time to go in with powder, and I'm just gonna powder my T-zone with this big fluffy brush from NYX. And I really don't pick up a lot on my brush. I'm really just dusting it over my face. Sometimes, depending on my mood and how much work I want to do, I'll go in with a cream bronzer and then a powder bronzer. But today, I'm lazy, so I'm going for just a powder bronzer. I used to also only do powder bronzer, but I kind of like to layer my makeup some days. I also feel like it lasts longer, but I also love a good powder bronze only moment. This is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Bronzer. I'm in the shade Beach. Beach, please. Somebody stop me, that was really bad. I just go in with a giant fluffy brush. This is by Jones Road. Pick some up on my brush. Sometimes I blow it, sometimes I tap it into the mirror part, and then I just go to town. I kind of do this like swirling motion, brush it all over my eyes, all over my face. I'm not going for a very specific area. I'm just kind of going for a bit more of a bronze tone in kind of the what would I call it? The contours of my face, but also not, because the sun would most likely get me the most tan like across here. So it's like a cronzer. I was gonna say it's a cronzer, contour bronzer. Honestly, that's what I'm gonna call it. It's a cronzer. I also love to dust it on my nose because like I said, that's also where I would get kind of flushed or sun-kissed. My camera died, so I have to switch cameras. There's a fluff. I'm gonna be going in with the Westman Atelier highlighter. This is like this color. Let it focus. Come on, come on. Okay, look at this color. It's like a pearly white, but wait for it. It's actually translucent, so I'm just gonna put some on my finger. Oh my goodness, did I even breathe throughout the whole sentence? And I'm just gonna tap it on. And look. Oh, girl. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The sun and I are in competition. Who has the brightest glow? Me or the sun? I'm also just gonna put a little bit on my nose and a little touch on the eyes too. And on top of the lip. And now that I have my glow on, I'm gonna quickly mist my face. So this product is actually a primer, a setting spray, a skincare serum. Honestly, this is kind of like one of my holy grail products. It has like everything in one. This is the Kosas Plump and Juicy Setting Spray. Or wait, no, it's actually called Vegan Collagen Spray on Serum. And I'm over here calling it a setting spray. Girl, do it some justice. So I'm just gonna mist that over my whole face. I'm gonna let that sink in. And it just adds the most beautiful glow to the skin. Like, oh my goodness. Like, I am just eating up this glow today. I just went and curled my lashes off camera, but quickly I'm gonna go in with a brow gel. This is by Half Magic. I love this lime green packaging. It's so fun. Honestly, a lot of the time I don't want to fill in my eyebrows, so I just go in with a clear brow gel, sometimes a tinted brow gel, depends on my mood. But I just do this to keep the brows tame because honestly my brows want to go in every which direction, and I get that from my dad. My dad's eyebrows are absolutely wild and chaotic sometimes, and I love that he passed that down to me. So for mascara, I'm gonna quickly go in with the Tower 28 mascara. This packaging is also super fun. I love this little squiggly line. This is how the brush looks. It's this curved plastic wand. I love a good plastic wand. I feel like it really does separate the lashes like no other. No other. Why am I talking like I'm on a roller coaster? The other day, I actually did one of those TikTok tests where it was like, test your tone of voice to see if you sound like a, you know what, the B word. Anyways, as I was reading it, I was realizing I sound like a bitch. So I am gonna try and work on my tone of voice. Even though I feel like I come off pretty bubbly and friendly, sometimes I don't. Some words I say just don't sound good. Like, good job. That sounds fake. And I really meant it when I said it. So it's like, I gotta work on that tone of voice thing. So here are my lashes with one coat of the mascara. This mascara is really good. I feel like it really adds length, separation, drama, but it still looks somewhat natural, especially when I'm from back here. I feel like it doesn't look too clumpy or cakey, especially also close up. I'm gonna skip my bottom lashes for today. I feel like I'm just gonna go with a top lash look. As I was putting on mascara, I remembered I should be sharing this tip with you guys. So basically, sometimes smudging of mascaras is caused by a poopy formula, and sometimes it's caused by oily eyelids. So if you struggle with oily eyelids and oil removes mascara, then you could use a powder, like a translucent powder, or maybe even an eyeshadow primer, then a powder to prevent smudging of your mascara. Also, I don't know if you guys have ever tried this. I've tried it a few times. I don't really have oily skin, so I don't use this tip too often, but if I have to wear my makeup for a long time, I will. Anyways, let me get to the point. Basically, you can also apply eyeshadow primer underneath your eyes too. That can also help with creasing as well, so try it out and let me know how it goes. Last but not least, I'm gonna do my lips. So today I'm gonna be using the NYX Fat Oil Lip Gloss. To me, it gives the effect of a lip gloss, so I call it a lip gloss, but it really is a lip oil. The color I'm using is called Mist Call, and it kind of matches my nails. So I'm just gonna apply maybe a few layers of this to the lips. I really like to juice them up. The color of this is really pretty. It's kind of giving like I just ate a popsicle type of look, and it's very summer, very spring. And because it's not a gloss, it doesn't have that really sticky kind of like goopy feel to it. It's really smooth and buttery on the lips. Ooh! I get excited when the gloss is popping. The oil is popping. Pardon me. That is stunning. That looks so delicious and juicy and good, and it matches my nails. This is perfect. This is the perfect vibe. I love it. And you guys, that is it. This is the final look. I am so happy with how glowy my skin turned out. My lashes are looking amazing, and I absolutely love the color of this gloss. And I cannot stop staring at this blinding glow. It is stunning. It's so juicy. I keep using the word juicy, but I don't know what else to use to describe it. I feel like a juicy, delicious treat. I keep staring at myself, and that's the problem. I'm feeling like really cocky and conceited right now. If you have any other videos you want to see from me, please let me know in the comment section below. I also have so many shorts. I post them daily, and I also have a bunch of other videos you can binge watch with your girls. All of the products I use will be listed in the description box below, and if you have any questions at all about your hair, your skin, your makeup, please DM me on Instagram. I try my best to reply to everybody. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all of your kind comments and words of encouragement all the time. I cannot thank you enough. You guys really do keep me going, and I love this. I love this life that you guys give me. You give me so much life, and you guys boost my confidence and make me so happy to continue pushing through every single day, and I cannot say thank you enough because you guys are seriously so amazing and kind-spirited and just beautiful people inside and out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. As always, don't forget to hit subscribe and follow me on my other socials. I post all the time, and I try to interact with everybody as much as humanly possible. I love you, I love you, I love you, and I cannot say it enough. Have an amazing day.